Hey everyone, we're back at the storage unit. So that's the only place I have to work on things. But we got some goodies today. We got our milling oil pump. We got the two valves I needed. And we have the, when it comes time to put the cams in, it's the cam keeper tool. So when I go to time it, the cams don't go funky on me. I also got the little pieces for my drill. So I was just gonna use a razor blade to scrape off all the old gasket material off the head. But I remembered when I used to run the shop, or help run the shop, I should say. Get her open. These little bristle brushes. I have the white, the yellow, and the green. The white is for aluminum surfaces. It doesn't hurt the material. Comes with a little base. Got my drill. That's probably way too fucking loud. Got Cyberpunk Edge runners on the TV. It is currently 11:08 Sunday. Wife's in bed sleeping. So, as you can see, it still has all this old gasket material on it. I tried scratching it off, or not scratching, but scraping it off with a razor blade, and it was just taking too long. So this is for. Let's see if we can get you guys set up. Oh, that material don't want to come off. It's the only thing that I have that needs a standard fucking wrench. So I'm gonna get this tight. We'll come back to this. Alright, well, it's gonna go slow, but I got it nice and tight. Gotta go one direction. I forgot, this thread's on. But I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna knock all this off. We're gonna pick up the camera when it's done. Then when that's all done, blow it all out. I got the valves. I'll lap those in quick. And then we get to bolt. Well, actually, we got a gasket. We still have to put the cover back on this, which I have the sealant for it. But yeah, that all gets done tonight. That gets put back on, sealed, done. And then the head goes on. So I'll pick the camera up when we got all this cleaned up. Alright, so I just went ahead, buzzed in the valves. I got the surface as clean as I could. Amazon kind of screwed me over. Well, not really screwed me over. But the discs aren't as good as, the 3M discs. I give it a shot. What we're going to do, while I'm here and thinking about it, I got the plastic cut off the engine. I'm going to turn it upside down. And I'm just going to make sure that I did time this correctly before I put that cover on. So, I'll set you guys up. Watch me flip this heavy bitch over. Might be motor mount stuff. I don't remember. There's another sensor that needs to come out. There's an aux sensor that needs to come out. So I'll buzz those out now. This out. Nothing's in there. Some gentle persuasion. Boom. Not sure what sensor that is, but I'll figure it out. So there's that one. I wonder if that's off the reluctor wheel? I know. There's my knock sensor. That one I know is cheap. That's definitely getting replaced. Alright. Get this flipped over more. We're going to set it on the girdle bolts right here. It'll be fine. It's rubber. Girdle bolts are metal. Should be fine. There we go. Now, anybody who's built engines is probably going to yell at me for this one, but I mean, anybody who's watching my videos is probably yelling at me anyways. Got a little bit of rust. Only in the one cylinder. I think it'll be okay. When I sprayed it with WD-40, I'm guessing I didn't get enough inside that cylinder. I don't know. But I think the engine's still at top dead. But I'm going to spin it around a couple times and put the piston at top dead again. See if I can get these to line up. So I need this mark, or this link matched up with this dot. And then this link matched up with this dot. Oh, there's another one. Where is it? I think it's going to be this one to this dot. Now, when I put it together, I did spin it over a few times, so I'm going to assume it's good. But when I spin it around again, I'm going to get that piston to top dead center. When I get to top dead center, if these all line up, then I'm just going to run with it. I mean, I could take it all apart and retime it. Wouldn't hurt, but really don't need to. Wonder if I have my flex plate bolts in here. I do. And yes, I do know I have to get new flex plate bolts as well. So everything on this fucking engine's torque to yield. Fucking stupid. Alright, I got those in there enough to bite. Right, work. Oh, she still spins. That's a good sign, I guess. Oh, shit. I think we're screwed. Look at that in there. Fuck. I might take a look, take a couple of pictures, and see what I can do. Well, most of it came out. The top ridge, I'm not too worried about. The rest of it did come out. It looked like it was just WD-40 that had sit it there. But we're going to spin it around. I'm going to get that piston back up to number 1. Or top dead. None of the other pistons had any of those that gunk in them. I'm thinking just from sitting for so long. I think we're actually still in time. Oh, maybe. Got one, got two. I didn't get three. Nope, I got three. Right there. And if we'll go back to our manual. Let's see, we're at flex plate. Five. Engine. We'll do, I think it's cylinder block, balance shaft. Nope, I don't want to take them out. Guide. Service repair. Scroll all the way. Nope. Chain tensioner. Yep. So, I think we got it. Next we got one. I mean, this one's off a little. Let me spin it around a couple more times, see if we can get this notch a little different. Alright, well, I think that's actually it. So it is timed. It's just the way the actual sprocket is compared to the diagram, it's a little off. But I mean, we're at top dead. I can't get any more top dead than that. They want this one at 12, this one at 230, which I don't understand. They could have just said 2. I don't get the 230. They want this dowel pin at 11, which would be right here. This would be 12. That would be 11. And they want this dot at 430. So I'm calling that timed. That, I don't know any other way to put it. That's timed. Every 11 crank rotations, they should line back up there. So I did 11 crank rotations. Wasn't going to bore you guys with that, and it's fine. So that's where I'm leaving that. We are going to put the cover back on. Still have some silicone in there. It doesn't need a lot of silicone, so I'm going to get the silicone on, and we'll pick it up when we're ready to put it back on. Alright, we got all the stuff on there. For the record, I hate Honda Bond, but it is one of the best gasket surfaces materials on the planet. And it doesn't specify what to use. Machine Shop says they use Honda Bond. I'm using Honda Bond. You guys can yell at me in the comments. I don't care. There we have it. It's on there. Just gotta buzz it all together. Before I get my video blocked in some weird country like Russia. Pretty sure I mentioned this in the last video, but I had Adele's Skyfall playing in the background, and the video got banned in Russia. No idea why. I'm going to pull the manual up here in a second. Oh shit, I wonder. See if these have to be torqued or if they just got to be snugged. 89 foot-pounds. Tightened the end oil pan bolts to 89 foot. So when the oil pan goes on, it's all 89 foot-pounds. instead of zipping them out with my big gun, I'll use my little zip gun. This will, you hear it, that's nothing. So. Okay. I think, if I remember right, these batteries are dead. Pretty sure. Yep. Gotta find batteries. I just did this too. And I took them out of the stereo remote. So they're not going to get torqued right now. Because I'm not going to run to my house at... Stupid launch. 12:30 at night to go get batteries. Which really bothers me because I really want to get the head torqued. I want to pick this up, see if I find batteries. Got batteries. I went home. Luckily, Rue wasn't too loud when I got in the house. For anybody who doesn't know, Rue's my dog. My wife works at 4 in the morning, so, and I work at night. Aw, it's still at 89 foot-pounds. You guys are not going to be able to see that. Brock, him and his girlfriend were walking their dogs. They're night owls too. Alright, well. $89 foot-pounds. We're gonna make sure. I want to break one of these off. If then one of these breaks off, it's staying broke. Actually, because this says pounds inch. I have foot pounds, inch pounds. I wonder if that's the same. Or I have Newton meters, which I can do Newton. Oh yeah, that would have been way too much. We're just gonna do Newton meters. 10 Newton meters. I was about to torque them down at 129 Newton meters. There we go. 10 Newton meters. Oh, I guess the inch pounds. So my wrench says inch pounds. The thing says pounds inch. Because it's the same thing. Wow. There we go. Shut that down. Take the batteries out. As I drop everything. I'm gonna drop it all. Okay, so we got that on. I'm going to go across the top of this, get a bunch of this leftover gasket material, stuff off. Then we're going to bolt the head down. Well, brand new head gasket. And then set you guys here in my tripod. There we go.
What happened in there?
Lost you for a second. Lisa Jamie.
Connection was stable.
Well, everyone, all my friends, family that might be watching this, it's going together. Everyone watching who had any doubt that I was ever going to get this far, brand new head bolts. Even the two small ones. I'm gonna get some oil so I can dip these in some oil. We're gonna get them run through. Alright, since neither my online manual or the book says anything about lubricating the threads, I googled it, and you should. It helps. The only thing I have in here is some synthetic 1040 dirt bike oil. Oil's oil. It's just to help them not like chatter. That may have been a little too much. Didn't realize how deep that was. So, got a little bit of oil on there. Doesn't feel good.
Alrighty, be seeing you.
Let me shoot you.
Damn, looks like
Alright, there we go.
is that so? What's your killjoy with all y'all?
Threads feel a little stiff, but pretty sure it's gonna be alright.
Expect me to drink alone with those old farts? You underestimate yourself. We wanna take a walk?
Sure.
No, but.
Oh,
So, you been doing okay?
I'm gonna time lapse this.
Was that today?
I was raised by tyrants and stuff, but it's got a giant. I sit up in silence, and my sins are ultraviolet. I was sleeping on Saturn. I was flying with the dragons. I came back from vacation, singing hooks like Lenny Kravitz. I told her everything that my heart imagined, but it did.
Alright, guys. So, we do our first pass, cylinders 1 through 12, or cylinder head bolts 1 through 12, which is going to be all the big ones, at tighten the cylinder head bolts 1 through 12 in a sequence to 30 newton meters, 22 foot-pounds. And then I have to use a J45059, which is an angle tool, but my torque wrench does angles, right? Yep, angle 0. And it says to go 1 through 12 in a sequence an additional 155 degrees. So while we're here, we're going to go it's getting there. Hold on. I'm trying to do this before the battery dies on my camera.
Cargo's rolling into town from the east.
155. 155 degrees. So we're going to go back.
To be divvied
We need to go. It's easier to follow Newton meters. 30 Newton meters.
Well, target's a corpse, ain't it? Convoy like that.
All right.
I know which one.
30 Newton meters. Then we have a sequence to follow. Better turn my auto brightness off so I don't lose out. We'll go 10 minutes.
smash, grab, deliver. It's what we do. Easy peasy. Biz as usual.
Okay. Sorry, a lot of standing around, but that's where we're at right now. Can't believe it's going on. We're bolting the head. We're torquing the head. Okay. So number one, we're gonna go 9, 5, number 1.
That's how I see it.
Unfortunately, this is all I have. Don't see why it's gonna be an issue. 30 Newton meters. That was fast. This is number 2.
Dove a little deeper. Learned she was once an RS.
All right, switching to 155, right, guys? After 22 foot-pounds, 30 Newton meters. Then we go 1 through 12 in a sequence, an additional 135. Or what? 155. Sorry. So you guys see it? 155. Wish me luck, guys. This is always the scariest part. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. It's at 94.
Fair.
What's the plan? Security.
That's 125.
Faraday's brought in a decoy crew to split Sokka's attention and manpower.
Oh, that's fucking terrifying. Terrifying. This is gonna be a long clip. I'm not cutting this unless the camera dies. That's 140. Oh, Jesus. I don't think I've ever been so terrified to bolt something together.
Target's gone off-road. We have the high ground.
There's no way. What's going on? Something's wrong. Why does it keep resetting?
I'm calling again.
Oh, fuck.
Go on and talk.
Got a favor to ask.
You better knock it off.
Rebecca, you can't ask anyone. You.
Attacking his braking system.
Get his fucking death now.
Hey guys,
Not a scratch on that pedal.
ice is just as thick. Can't grab it.
It'll fucking hit him head on.
Oh, that's terrifying. I think I screwed up number 4. I don't know if there's a way to check. Yeah, if I go any harder, it's gonna fucking break.
Exactly as anticipated. How I saw it.
Very, very good work, Fred.
All bridge
I mean, it beeped. I just went fast about it.
taps open, leaks out, military knows about the cops.
Oh, fuck.
No field test.
That's terrifying.
Of course, assuming
We still have 3 more bolts.
Ford can we
They're tiny ones. And those,
Can't stomach it. Gets cold feet.
um,
Our recovery crew will face a Militech battalion.
so there's 2 short bolts, 14, 15,
need to worry? My palms are in place. Yes.
7 newton meters, 60 degrees.
So please, sit back, relax, enjoy the show.
Not good.
What did I say?
Stop it quick. Gotta catch
2
it.
short end bolts, 14, 15, 7 newton meters.
So, what now, Martinez? Right on the edge.
Easier said than done.
Hey! Launch the harpoon my way! What the hell? And slam on the brakes of my sink!
What are you scheming now?
Come on!
What the fuck? He ain't right.
I'll shoot it if you want.
And then 60 degrees.
Got this. It's time to cut loose. No holding back. It's just you on the road. No doubters to slow you down now. So show them who you are. What you're made of. You're
At 60 degrees. Ooh, shit. Alright, guys. Yeah, I need a shorter extension. Same, 7 inch-pounds, but 120 degrees for the last one. Or no, tighten 1 long end bolt, which is right here in the center, 7 newton meters, 7 newton meters. $120.
VIP treatment. They send an executive class APE to collect one lone street girl
Oh, stop. Screwed up something. Hold on. There we go.
So what? How's another run? 'Cause it was to help us out of this mess anyway. Kind of bigger for your cut, I hope.
What did it say? 120 degrees for this last one.
Don't know about this. Sit around with me the way the truck was unmanned. Damn sure it's Arasaka.
You're so worried. Just grab the cargo and ghost. In and out.
That's it.
Assuming we can pop it open.
It's done.
Your yapping is killing me.
The head is finally
Let's go get our wheels.
torqued to the bottom end. We're this close, guys. It's finally going in the truck. I'm shutting the camera off. It's been too long of a video. We got what we wanted accomplished. If you guys are excited, my friends, family, if you guys are excited to finally see this go in my truck, comment. It's about fucking time in the comments. I want to see that, guys. Like it. Next video is going to be a few weeks when I get the VVT gear. One more cam gear bolt. I have the cams. And then it's time it, valve cover, or oil pan, valve cover, set it in the truck when we get new motor mounts. See you guys in the next one.